Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're bringing you an essential grooming solution for your furry friend. If you're tired of watching your pup struggle with itching, scratching, and dry skin, we've got the answer. Meet the best dog shampoo for sensitive skin, Natural Itch Relief Dog Shampoo by Hamish and Boyo. This isn't just any dog shampoo. This is the best dog shampoo oatmeal hypoallergenic natural that truly lives up to its promise. Let's talk about what makes this shampoo stand out from the rest. First off, it's loaded with skin-loving ingredients like pure oatmeal and aloe vera. These ingredients work together to gently soothe irritated and flaky skin. It's not just about cleaning. This shampoo is about healing, comfort, and overall coat health. Every wash leaves your dog's fur feeling soft, moisturized, and looking beautifully healthy. And if you've ever worried about using harsh products on your dog's skin, you can relax. This shampoo is hypoallergenic, tear-free, and free from parabens, sulfates, mineral oils, alcohol, artificial colors, and synthetic fragrances. That means no more stinging eyes, no more itchy after-bath reactions. Just pure, gentle cleansing that's safe even for puppies and senior dogs. The lavender scent adds a naturally calming touch to your grooming routine. It's subtle, refreshing, and best of all, it comes from essential oils, not chemicals. So your dog won't just be clean, they'll smell amazing without being overwhelmed by perfume-like odors. No matter your dog's breed or coat type, long, short, curly, wiry, this shampoo gets the job done. It's designed for all sizes too, from tiny teacup pups to big lovable giants. Whether you're doing a routine bath, washing off post-adventure grime, or rinsing after allergy season, this bottle's got your back. Proudly made in the USA, this product uses sustainably sourced, organic ingredients. That means it's not just good for your pet, it's also good for the planet. So, if you're searching for a truly safe, soothing, and natural dog shampoo that delivers results, try Natural Itch Relief Dog Shampoo by Hamish and Boyo. It's the best dog shampoo oatmeal hypoallergenic natural option out there, perfect for keeping your pup clean, calm, and comfortable. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow dog lovers. Until next time, keep those tails wagging.